Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox upgrade problem. See here your problem. Okay, let's see how to fix it. Go to your phone setting. Tap on apps. Search here Roblox. Now tap on storage. Clear stores and clear data. Now back. Now tap on permission. Allow all permission here. Now back to home. Open your Google Play Store. Search Roblox. Update your Roblox app. My Roblox app already updated. Back to home. Now restart your device. Wait for restore your device. After restore your device, go to your Roblox and re-login your apps. I hope your problem solved successfully.